Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So this WXY pattern I've been talking about for at least a week now is playing out perfectly. I think we're in a wave C of Y right now. This looks like a 1, 2, 3. I don't even really think it's over. I think it's going to have to take out these previous highs, probably make a wave 4 and a wave 5, just to finish off this uptrend for the wave C of wave Y. So the daily is definitely still very bullish, and we are definitely still looking for longs on sort of time frames. Unfortunately, if you're not already long, I don't really think I would recommend going long right this minute. And based on the daily, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short. I would be trying to go long on all these little pullbacks that we see along the way. So unfortunately, right now, if you're not already long, then you would have to be patiently waiting for another pullback in order to go long, or maybe going down to a much shorter time frame and trying to get in on one of these very small pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. Definitely wouldn't be trying to go short, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right in the middle of a move. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.